koro, and you dey hear me whine. I say you tanda gidigba. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max for UHF channel 57 and channel 98 on top of Go TV, Wazobia TV. This na the Ogbonge Politics discussion show as e dey hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas, sake of say all of the action gist when they come out smoke inside Nigeria political arrangement. We go carry them, drop them as the thing they come out plenty fire. Chook mouth inside, give you license to chook your own mouth inside and talk am the way anything be you for body. So that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Samuel I stay concerning political matter. As in a heart.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers, and welcome to another edition of that Ogbonge program. That program where they informate, they educate, they at least they entertain now with political activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria as in a hot. Today's topic now still topic where we say yes, it is very trending. Topic where we say Nigerians they go they interested to know what thing will happen for the end of the action film. The issue about $2.1 billion and money where somehow you don't develop develop different network, waka enter into different people pocket. Now what we will still talk about today, and we go open our phone line with that time. So now we feel contribute, we go feel rub minds together, discuss this issue and discuss it very well. My name never say change. My name now Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
Very important piece of information when I want put out about our Ogbonge visitor before we show him face. In a person when we say he don't read lawyer book, reach the level when we say if he reach for them to quote the law over anything, he don't need open constitution because everything not there inside the medulla oblongata. And they talk of no other than Barrister. I go talk the name slow so that everybody go understand. Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kosim. Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kozim. No, because I won't put for name. Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kozim. Barrister, welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you very much. Good morning, viewers.
Yeah, Barrister, you're welcome. For here, because I know say before we start up this program, they ask yourself, they ask us say why you go sit down for middle. We got to say because would they bring the program hot on our guests so that once that hotness on they start, make nobody say go see them and say would they try enter you or maybe they try fight.
No, but fire me. I don't get bulletproof.
We get one tradition they normally do. They normally shake the hand of our guests so that once the argument don't start, we know we still there on that friendly part.
No shaking, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Ahmed, we will not waste time. We could just go straight to the topic when we discuss today. The topic when we carry come now one when we say it don't they generate a lot of discussion for inside Nigeria political boxing ring, and we don't coin them as if you return money you save, if you not return money you save. That is question mark there for the end of all these things when we ask. We go break them now, make you understand why we ask these questions like this. Number one, we know say the acting Oga of the EFCC, Oga Ibrahim Mustafa Magu don't come out and talk say in the very, very certain say as this government go give the EFCC all the power to pursue all those when chop Nigeria money, say they go recover all the stolen funds. To recover now one thing, when you recover the money, what thing go happen after you don't recover this money? Because it be like say somehow if you return money, we don't know what thing go happen next. Make I give two examples. Oga Olisa Metu, when be the top person of the People's Democratic Party, since last week Tuesday when we say EFCC enter in house, tell am say making call for invitation, say they want interrogate am in their custody. Everybody knows say Oga Jafar Issa, when they talk say na APC chieftain and a close ally of Oga Presido, say himself they be first invite am, he talk say may they give am another date, sake of say person kpai for him family or somebody wey him no kpai, but they can't go arrest am. Now two things they separate. For the accusation, they talk say Oga Olisa Metu through in company collect 400 million naira. Oga Jafar Issa collect 170 million naira. From wetin the two of them don't talk, it be like say they no know say them no know say the money come from the office of the National Security Advisor. Oga Metu talk say use your own render service. Oga Jafar Issa talk say collect your own to do something. But as two of them dey so, Oga Jafar Issa don return 100 million out of the 170, and EFCC release am on administrative bail, say make him go look for the 70 when return, make him return am. Oga Olisa Metu won't be say dem talk say he say he no go cooperate, he no go talk anything about the 400 million because wetin don lost. Instead their intention. We won't break am now. Wetin be the legal implication of say you return money? It means say everything everything don dey okay. If you no return money, where we go from there? Na why we carry ogbonge lawyer come sit down inside studio to chook mouth inside. Oga, our lawyer, no need to waste time. You carry constitution, you open am for your front. Make I no talk too much.
No be even constitution. Na a law wey dem dey call Administration of Criminal Justice Act, wey dem don pass for 2015. Na im dey guide all the proceeding. Na all the things wey dey happen from when they arrest person till they sen ten ce am. So na this law na im dey guide am. So anything wey you dey see now, some of them you fit talk say dem no dey the law, and some of them dem dey the law. It depends on how you look at it.
Na you go talk am.
No shaking.
Okay. On top of this matter, you don't see the question we don't call.
Yes, if you return money you save, it depends. Because people, as you don't talk am, people collect money for different reasons. Some people collect money, they just collect and say, take. You know, election period now, just take money and a person give them. Like some people, now you give them money. And then a strong PDP man. So if you give him money, now he say, we give you this money, go do the runs for us. For us. That one another separate something. Whereas Anini collect his own from Dasuki. Nobody know that one. The thing we just know be saying, Anini give me. Make we do take and do election. While some people, they collect them from Dasuki directly. Those ones, then Wahala, he won't surpass the ones we collect from Anini.
But the underlying thing be say, you will collect, Wahala they involved.
Wahala they involved.
Okay.
Wahala they involved generally.
Continue.
But the Wahala can't get grade.
Can't get grade, okay.
Like when I read for midnight about this Jafaru Issa, they say the money we collect, I read that for some news, online news, say, the money we collect, he won't take and buy house for Dasuki. Now Dasuki, now he give him the money direct. Because now Dasuki close friend to help him purchase house. But as Dasuki, they waste time. They say another person just drop 150, bam. That's why the house come out. But the money is still there with them. That one another kind separate issue.
On it.
But some people just collect money, say, come, take,
they go
enjoy. That's an NSA. But person supposed get brain. Say, we they fight war.
Thank you.
NSA, now they control money, who they take, purchase, protect people. Person can't give money that period. Your brain supposed open, say, while I did. If I collect this money, now people they die. In fact, they're supposed to charge those people for murder. Because the effect now say, look at many armies will die, many soldiers will die. Look at people where they come up for their job. Just because they know, then complain, say, these arms where we get, you know, they. Now, to now go to the other question. Now, say you collect money from Dasuki. You know, say now chop money. Say, I want to take a chop. You can't return them. Your bege comes small, pass. Person who come to say, nothing.
Say, you waited all lost.
Go try me. If you like, go die. Carry me, go court. They follow you, go. Now, serious while. Because you get something where they call plea bargaining. And the plea bargaining thing, be say, they follow a lot of people. BFC, they follow them talk, say, arrangement, negotiation, say, I beg, I go drop this money. I beg, if I drop, I beg, treat me softly. If I just go 10 years imprisonment, I beg, if you make 2 months, if you make 6 months, if you make this, or no give me any sentence at all. If I give you money, like, waiting that Suki they do now, you know, I say collect that money. Into the top, people where I give deep. Now, in the try arrange in plea bargain. In the try soft landing. Say, I go jail. Nobody let me chop am. All of us will chop am.
Plenty.
Yes, in the country cooperate. The law recognizes that. Say, if you cooperate, if you expose others, you assist in the prosecution. You understand? You make arrangements between the prosecutor and the victim. The victim in this circumstance is Nigeria. Now President Buhari, now he be the chief victim. So arrangement come there between governments, the person who steal money, you understand? And the prosecutor say, now, as we do and now, this thing don't happen. You don't drop the money, we go make arrangement, they can't do contract, something like an agreement. Say, okay, we go, instead of 6 years, 6 years imprisonment, we go reduce them for 6 months. But on the condition that you return all the money and you cooperate with us fully, you admit to your offense. So that agreement, if they don't do it, they can't carry and go court. So now the judge will come look at her, say, okay, confirm from the accused, say, you do this thing true, he go say I do it. You sign this agreement true, he go say you sign them. The punishment they won't give you now so something. You agree to the punishment, he go say yes. The judge can't look and say,
just they accept. Until they tell you.
You go just they accept.
Just they nod.
They nod.
Say, anyhow.
Now can ask you say, now, judge can't look and say, this punishment, what they want to give this guy, he pass waiting they're supposed to give him. Maybe the judgment will prosecutor arrange, don't too much. Judge fee in his own discretion, reduce him.
Okay.
And if it is say it's too small, judge fee bring him up. And if you agree with the sentence, he maintain him. But if you go bring him up, he go tell the accused, say, come on, this 6 months we don't give you no due. 2.1 billion no be yam. You're supposed to go 2 years. You can't ask and say, you agree with the 2 years? The person will come to and say, okay, if you agree, you go say you agree. If you don't agree, you go say you don't agree. They'll come cancel all that proceeding. All that pre-bargain you don't die, they'll throw inside water. They'll come to say, the judge will come hands off the case. Another judge will come take over. When that judge take over, he go start afresh. You not go make any reference to the agreement. You not go make anything to them. The person will just say, I no guilty again, most start case.
So
yes.
Now some of these things they also cause
delay. You know,
delay matters for continuity. They could stretch for years. We not go see the end of a particular.
You don't say this one now. Not be anybody fault. Now judge just think and say because this actual plea bargaining thing now to make things fast. You understand? Person steal money, you just arrange chapter. The person na still criminal. Na convict, even if you no go prison as it's supposed to go. You understand? It assists the system. That might not, and you know, public opinion also counts. For instance, now, because this thing now to assist victim. Now, if you sentence person go 10 years in prison, we no concede the money. The 2% just vamoose like that. Now who lose? You understand? So now like victim compensation scheme. So make everything not just come out like that. And if a personal matter, they go carry out the money, give the person where they steal the money. And the accused will still pay restitution. Now he say, I don't give you your money, the one where I still gone. But say I suffer you, I better take extra. The court allow.
Barrister, see, make we break this thing down like this because people won't collect out of this money now. Whether now from the Office of the National Security Advisor or now say maybe one top man for this particular political party. I give them the money. They're plenty where. We don't hear names. People like Oga Jimu Obodo. We don't hear of Chief Olufalaye. We don't hear of Oga Rashid Ladoja. We don't hear of Oga Peter Odili. So plenty people like that. Now, make we make this one clear now. Clear. Now, what's in these people situation take different from Oga Jafaru Issa situation? Because Oga Jafaru Issa, he collects money to buy a house, according to what they talk. He collects money to buy a house directly from the National Security Advisor.
For the National Security Advisor.
To buy a house for the National Security Advisor.
That's what I did.
To buy a house
for him. Now you give your friend money. You give him Kubi money. Say, go and me buy a house. You understand?
Why? No. I mean, Oga, but this is a wrong example. That's the wrongest example because I'm not gonna ever even allow anybody carry my own money, say they give me Chuku, the thing they can't give me.
Never. How can give you money?
Never. That will never happen. Because I don't trust you.
How you want to see the house?
Because you see, I don't take man talk. I say I want to see the house.
How you want to see the house?
I go carry the money, put
for your carry fence high. How you want to see the house?
Don't insult my house. In this case, indirectly you're insulting me. We get lawyer for house here. Mind yourself. I beg. Leave me and this man alone.
I apologize for.
You give examples. I give you money. Why you dey vex?
Why no vex?
Because I send you message to buy a house.
Why no vex?
Make a change them. Now we give who?
No, you just not give me. I'm not gonna make someone like can give me money.
Okay,
no.
You can't give me money to buy house.
I'm not a sincere person.
Who could be? How many Ghana must go? You want to carry more than 70 million?
As long as I will carry reach your place.
With which power?
As long as I will carry reach your place.
With which power?
What the thing don't do now? Life don't easy. Just transfer.
Oga Ahmed, I beg. Chukudi ask question. Waiting the case of Oga Jafar take different from other. I mean, take different from other people we in don't mention.
Like the likes of all of them get different category. Some people don't even know. They just know say some people na their party then give like SDP. Where then give like though your party don't shout those way they go say
like
we don't see money. We don't see any money. But in claim say the money
in collect them on behalf of
the party. Yeah, all this in the politics. Politics, they take money campaign. Now known thing. Even APC, they give people money, they collect. You understand? So now the intent is very, very particular here. Person will not do anything, you know, you're about to say, oh, far. You know, you just see money, just see free money, just
say
money.
Just chook mouth, say make you carry,
Not
you know where it come from.
Not even finance minister give you money, security advisor, where did they take money? When they see the money?
Oga Ahmed, may I chip in this question? Okay, people where they give money, like if you look the amount of money where they give, somebody like Oga Jim Wobo to say, they give her 500 million naira. Can't they look at different people? And I don't believe say this, some of this will not say yes, so somehow, network of money don't enter their hand. Okay, our constitution will talk, say, look, and they don't say yes, so see what you go take this money into election parole. Help us channel this thing towards the election so that we go get enough support for our candidates. Okay, we're going to say, our constitution state say, look, there's a particular amount of money if you spend for election.
Okay.
But these people, because they collect money, we say somehow, they close to that amount where they supposed to spend past election. They say somehow, they say they're guilty.
That's that one a party thing.
Party thing.
Yes, and now PDP they talk say, we don't know anything.
We don't send anybody to collect money on our behalf.
They don't give us money. They just go chop the money privately. Say they don't follow her. We know our hands are clean. We raise our hand. Say that one another thing. PDP now don't absorb.
Somehow come out themselves.
Yes. Somehow come up themselves.
But
so now,
PDP will talk about Metu is a part of them.
If the matter reach court, Metu na individual, PDP don't disown am. And he not tell us say PDP na lie they talk. The 400 million we follow chop together. He never talk that one. So now in own duty to talk wetin he see. As he never talk, we no fit talk for them. They say he write statement in chop am. Now he talk on this morning. Say you right statement, he chop am.
Make we just
okay, barrister, we don't reason all this issue now. People collect money, whether from the Office of the National Security Advisor or from chieftain of the People's Democratic Party. Yeah. Okay, make we move on from here now. If Oga Jafar Issa now with the administrative bail where they don't give am say, go bail. If he gather the 70 million, return am back. What do you think say go become of his situation?
The first trial. It depends on how EFCC sees it and the strength of the statement. You understand? Saying talk already, that she say, I'm on a lie to talk.
Say,
but she say, you suppose get brain, say, this money no be pure money. You understand? The first charge.
So before the law now, even if you don't know, you claim say you don't know, but you chop inside. The law no blind to that.
If you know, say you don't know. If you claim, say you don't know. You understand? Even if the prosecutor don't believe you, if you reach court, because he say this person get case. You understand? It is possible. Waiting in talk, they possible. So the person just give her money. I know some people when they top authority like that. That they get money. They suppose the question say where did they get all that money?
Money from?
If not their salary, another thing. But you where person give money, okay, don't give you the money. If you claim say I don't know waiting.
I say make I use and buy house for because my business.
Yes. Say for their own money, they convince you say yes.
At least there are people they borrow money from bank now. Maybe borrow and give me. I don't know. It's not my duty to know how
where
you got
the money come from.
You understand? As to far say no be me one chop am. You understand?
I won't buy the house or buy something
for you. If not true. You know, some people they talk different things. When chips are down,
when the chips are down,
they talk different things. I must save.
Okay, barrister, we can't go the second one now. Some people when claim say I collect them on behalf of our party. I collect them say make I support this person for this election, and I don't spend them the way when I supposed spend them. Those people they free now. You see that they free now. Who are not even cross enter inside APC.
Everything has to do with the level of sophistication of the investigation.
Okay.
You understand now? Because as the money enter one account. They can't even say, as they enter the account, you know discharge them at all. The thing just did there. Or from the account, now one private something. You know if you claim in a party, they give you. You understand? Because you don't even, na diversion. Therefore, even charge you on top that one, say, okay, you go, if EFCC now just collaborate with your party. Say, my party come. We won't charge this guy. Say the money we even collect on your behalf, you go spend now. Now another case again.
Yes.
You understand? So the case is very
complex.
A complex case.
Okay,
but it's not big money now. It's very complex.
May we bring her from this angle. Just as Chiku talked of saying some people collect money, they say that for party reasons. Okay, people will also collect. They talk say I collect, but this money. If na try me soon, anything in life, when I do me, I no go return this money back.
You don't go.
You understand? Waiting me that way go give this kind of person confidence. Say, look, come in. I'm not going to return this, but China, because of say, he get some strong backup behind them. I mean, because
or
of
in
say,
case they're strong.
In case they're very strong, or maybe somehow going by the way our judiciary they take this thing. Maybe they don't employ the service of some strong people. Maybe say, no matter how
no, go straight. Your colleague there. Your colleague there.
Make you don't employ their services to make sure say this case, they don't go see the end.
If it be any of the thing we talk. But now that last one, I ain't the one show pass now. As it be, because as the thing just the be anyhow. Different judges, different lawyers, delay 30,
all those
everything where they go. You understand? Now they want, and some people say na jaso. Say I get Babang Bejo as a bag go talk. I get person for back where they support me. If it be anything, but most likely is the feeling that I have this money. I get lawyers. I get lawyers. We get matter. I get the best.
We go strong, we go strong, back me up.
Or if it be that belief innately that you could have taken advice and say there is no how they want to try you. There is no provision in the law that says if you do this, you'll be culpable. You understand? I can't believe. You know, say you get a lawyer go talk now. If people say the lawyer does this, say no worry. But if the guy go give him confidence, say nothing they happen. And people say just they use that one as rules for people. Go they do and out, go they beg for underground. Some people just get giri like all those garage boys they do. You just do giri.
Undertone.
Barrister, may we talk through here now. You na person when we say you sabi the law, and
they try sabi the law.
They try sabi the law, but I'm going to break them down now. You talk and say if we check this case somehow the thing be like say it did somehow. You think say at the end of all of this particular discussion what they discuss we go fit look back talk say okay
I think knock hand for chest.
Say okay
our judiciary this matter we don't see the end and the very good end.
I'm not a part of the judiciary. You understand? In the sense of adjudication. Say with the judge matter, with the I own to present matter to court. And I never even get EFCC brief self. So I know the part at all. I mean not to talk from outside. But I think it all depends on the industry where the lawyers put in. If you get group prosecution, we put everything in. Good forensic abilities, good way that they call them experts we go call testify for court. If everything they packaged and you get strong judges, when they do nonsense, I know judges like that. Some of them will say they know if you like go Cambridge, go bring book. If you like not be only one sick. You know say Sunday wear sick, wear 5. They don't send you. Now your case. Now they will demystify. One of the judges before they carry and go court of appeal, they appear before and well. If they do one of these bank case or this bank chief's case, as they come, the guy don't read everything. If the lawyer don't just go there. I have read everything where they inside this file. You know if you just come, judges like that, they are incorruptible. You understand? There is no bamboo. You know if you bamboozle them. You understand? If you get judges like that, the fearless judges.
But
definitely this case is go
Shall we go see a possibility of maybe putting the case in the hands of these fearless judges, or now the same make we just do this thing, make we find judge wey go fit play according to our game, put her for in hands so that he go fit play our game the way we want her. Because all these things somehow politics they involve in everything.
You know say it all depends because those where they assign case now the head of court. You understand? If the head of court, if na person where they collect bribe, we just give judge we go play ball now. Judge we go play game, we go do. You get one judge for federal court where they talk say then they begin now. Then just they give different orders, different injunctions. We just tell EFCC say perpetual injunction, no investigate this guy at all for your life again. All those kind of ridiculous
judgment.
Then they begin presently.
Barrister, we go quickly rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back. This particular discussion we just open now. We go look into them because at the end of the day, if we discuss everything here, Nigerians raise up to talk say, see how we want to make this thing day. We can't go court where we say they're supposed to go give the final answer. They come like say something they happen. Now we say well I don't day. No go anywhere now still as it hot on top of the Chairman television station. We they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.